Hi, I'm Emma D'Angela, the best-selling author of Acid Alkaline Diet Program, and in this short video, you're about to discover how to make mouth-watering and tasty meals that not only skyrocket your energy levels and accelerate your fat loss, but also rejuvenate your health. If you're watching this video right now, it means that you want to take charge of your health and yet indulge in the fine cuisine that life has to offer. The truth is, most people are fat, unhealthy, and often feel tired because they consume too much acidic foods. The normal body's pH level is 7.35 to 7.45, and our internal organs always strive to keep the pH level in balance. However, due to the increased amount of acidic foods we eat on a daily basis, our internal system has to work doubly hard to balance the healthy pH level. And what's worse is that most acidic foods can disrupt the hormones and metabolism of your body, making your body gain weight easily. The diet you should eat to be in great shape, accelerate your fat loss easily, and have more energy than ever is the diet that balances your pH level. And this is the diet that is consumed by the healthiest people who live over 100 years of age. These people didn't suffer from our modern diseases like obesity, diabetes, high cholesterol, cancer, and any chronic health problems. They led a very healthy and natural lifestyle that made them lean, healthy, and strong. Their foods are natural, whole, and full of nutrition, without any preservatives, pesticides, or artificial flavoring. Our bodies are made to eat and get nutrients and vitamins from whole foods that can give whatever our bodies require. Eating our modern standard American diet like fast food, burgers, fries, steak, white bread, cereal, and canola oil is what's damaging our health tremendously. Now, if you are here today watching this video, it's because you're smart and you're ready to take charge of what you eat to lose weight naturally and achieve great health. As I have worked with more than 19,000 people who have weight problems and who struggle to lose body fat, it makes me fully aware of all the psychological struggles that people face with regards to their eating habits and diet. And I realize the secret is to know the combination of foods that not only balance your pH level, but the recipes must taste great so that it is easy for anyone to enjoy the natural and healthy foods. If you're with me so far, you might be experiencing these problems. Do you feel left on your own with your quest for better health, but there isn't much people to help you? Would you like to enjoy abundance health, more energy, and lose weight while eating nutritious yet delicious delights? Do you run out of ideas to come out with new, yummy, and healthy natural delicacies that satisfy your taste buds? How great would it be to get a collection of simple alkalizing recipes and cooking tips that you can always rely on for your health and fat loss? After 9 years of research into the great health benefits of an alkaline diet, combined with expert advice on how to cook up a super healthy storm, all without compromising the enjoyment of eating fine food, here's what I have for you today. The Alkaline Gourmet Package. I've specially designed a series of healthy, natural, yet yummy and delicious recipes that I've tried and tested over the last 9 years as I embarked on my alkaline diet lifestyle. These mouth-watering recipes are carefully mixed and matched to give you all the essential nutrients, minerals, and vitamins your body wants. Here's a glimpse of what the Alkaline Gourmet Package consists of. Number 1, the Enhanced Alkaline Meal Plans and Recipe ebook. There are over 50 alkaline recipes with a full 14 days meal plan that will boost your alkalinity and energy to an incredible level. Mouth-watering and tasty foods that you can prepare for yourself and your family in a fuss-free manner any time of the day. With our range of juices, desserts, salads, soups, and main courses for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Indulge in life's simplest pleasures of attaining the healthiness you want from delicious alkaline cuisines. And the Enhanced Alkaline Meal Plans and Recipe ebooks usually cost a retail price of $24.97. Number 2, you will also receive the Alkaline Salad Gourmet. Eating salads is one of the most crucial aspects in balancing your pH level in the body. There are no lesser than 50 different and delicious salad recipes from 5 continents. I know coming out with different salads could be extremely difficult, and it gets boring if you keep eating the same thing over and over again. Well, Alkaline Salad Gourmet will take away your pain by providing you with deliciously simple yet sensational salads that excite your taste buds. Here are some of the delicious salad recipes you will find in the Alkaline Salad Gourmet. Supreme Wakame Salad. brown confetti rice salad, muslin salad with persimmon, orange and Kalamata olives Moroccan-style salad, pecan, strawberry, and spinach salad, and many, many more. There are more than 10 tasty and natural salad dressing recipes for you to mix and match. As you know, salad dressings that are on the shelf are often fat and caloric culprits that ruin a perfectly healthy salad. Once you begin making your own natural, fast, easy, and yummy salad dressings, you'll never go back to store-bought again. And the Alkaline Salad Gourmet usually costs a retail price of $24.97. Number 3. The Alkaline Avocado Delights. Avocados are packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, minerals, and vitamins. According to the American Heart Association, the healthy fats in this fruit can reduce cholesterol levels and decrease the risk for heart disease. I used to only eat avocado as a fruit until I discovered the amazing taste of mixing avocados with other foods. With its creamy, buttery texture and rich, almost nutty taste, this amazing superfood is the perfect ingredient for a host of delightful and healthy meals. Try starting a marvelous day with refreshing avocado stuffed zucchini and lettuce wraps with avocado, feta, and carrots. You can also try the irresistible quinoa avocado skillet, curried hummus wraps, avocado topping shepherd's pie for your main meals, and indulge yourself with light, dreamy pistachio almond avocado tartlets, cherry chocolate avocado smoothie, and even raw chocolate avocado truffles. Feel the rich, creamy, and smooth texture of avocado in your mouth with the different variety of flavors that you could enjoy when you start experimenting with the 50 recipes that you can find in the Alkaline Avocado Delights. It usually costs a retail price of $24.97 when you get Alkaline Avocado Delights. Number 4. Alkaline Green Smoothies. In this recipe book, you will discover 50 green smoothies for boosting your energy, alkalizing your pH and nutrition every single day. Green vegetables, especially the leafy green ones, are nutritional powerhouses, packed with an impressive list of nutrients. These nutritious and alkalizing green smoothies can give you a boost in energy level and provide your body with an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals. It took me a few years to concoct and test these 50 nutritious and yummy green smoothies that can power you up, giving you more nutrients and an abundance of energy you'll need. Alkaline green smoothies are some of my best and finest green smoothies you can find, with some unique twists by adding raw cocoa powder and sweet fruits like mango and berries. You'll find 50 green smoothies for you to experiment with and attain a better health. And for the Alkaline Green Smoothies ebook, the standard retail price is $19.97. Imagine the mouth-watering, delicious cuisines you can enjoy even while you're on the alkaline diet. When you get the Alkaline Gourmet package, you will enjoy losing weight and staying healthy at a whole new world. But that's not all. Plus, when you hit the button below before this video ends, I'm going to give you something which members of our Alkaline Diet program have been requesting for a while. On top of enhanced alkaline recipes, Alkaline Salad Gourmet, Alkaline Avocado Delights, and Alkaline Green Smoothies, you'll also get Number 1. Gourmet Italian Delights. There's no doubt that Italian cuisines is one of the most popular cuisines across the world, famous for its simplicity and healthy dishes. Italian foods prides itself on fresh herbs and spices to infuse natural flavor and being balanced in nutrients. Pureed sun-dried tomatoes, olive oil, rosemary, and basil form the base of rich and savory Italian cuisines. Think that Italian food is only about pasta and pizza? Italian cooking goes beyond pasta. In this Gourmet Italian Delights, you will discover 50 amazing recipes on how to cook authentic Italian cuisines. If you are hungry during midday, there are a careful selection of mouth-watering appetizers that tickle your taste buds. Instead of snacking on plain bread, learn how to prepare tomato basil artichoke crostini, avocado Roma piadina, and the classic delightful bruschetta. The Italian delight doesn't just stop there. There are over 20 earthy and comforting entrees, like the versatile and easy-to-make potato and spinach gnocchi, with spinach added to give a boost of nutrients and color. You'll also learn how to make various popular Italian sauces to go along with these entrees, like Italian red sauce, garlic butter sauce, and sage butter sauce. Give the traditional meatball spaghetti an alkaline twist with the meatless spaghetti and meatballs made from fresh mushrooms. The thing I love about Italian cuisines is is the desserts. They are healthy and energizing, yet they are so easy to make and give variety to your culinary repertoire. Round up your meal with a no-guilt tiramisu and creamy Italian gelato sundae, minus half the sugar and half the guilt. This cookbook is usually sold at a retail price of $24.97, but if you get the Alkaline Gourmet package today, you can get it free. Number 2, Gourmet Fruit Ice Creams Recipes. If you love ice cream but worry about gaining fat with it, you're gonna love this. What is better than a great scoop of real fruit ice cream with additional vegan instructions to eliminate the calories from milk and cream? You can satisfy your sweet tooth on a hot summer day with cold, creamy fruit ice cream that literally melts in your mouth, even if you are lactose intolerant. No artificial coloring, sweetener, or preservatives are used to make these ice creams. What's more, learn how to make 50 ice creams from scratch easily using fresh fruit for full fruity flavor. The fruit ice cream recipes are crafted to offer you not only all-time favorites like fresh strawberry ice cream, but other decadent delights like luscious sweet coconut ice cream and fig and honey ice cream. Instead of using berries, how about adding a citrus twist with our thirst-quenching grapefruit ice cream and pineapple lime ice cream? You will also enjoy ice cream made from tropical fruits like papaya, lychee, and mango. For those of you who enjoy alcohol-infused ice cream, try the apple rum and raisin ice cream. Gourmet Fruit Ice Cream Recipes itself is selling at a retail for $19.97, but just for today, you can get it for free. Number 3, the Natural Juicing Recipes. In this recipe book, you will discover over 50 natural blends for health, beauty, and vitality every single day. These ingenious and creative juices are an instant booster and give your body the additional power-up with an alkalizing twist to it. These juices are carefully combined to give you an additional alkalizing pH booster, but yet naturally sweet and sensational, and you will love to drink it every single day. Plus, you aren't just given the common juices that you will find out there in the shopping malls, but you are getting yummy and refreshing juicing recipes like Coco Loco Citrusy Coconut Drink, Fruity Wake Up Booster Juice, Tropical Protein Shake, whole range of fruit smoothies, and many, many more. This natural juicing recipe is usually selling at $19.97 at retail price, but today when you get the Alkaline Gourmet package, you can get it for free. To round everything up for the Alkaline Gourmet package and the bonuses, you'll get as many as 350 recipes, so you will have an abundance of healthy and delicious good foods to choose from. No more eating the same dishes over and over again. Impress your family and friends with fancy meals that not only look good, but taste good and are healthy as well. Tired of the same old boring, unhealthy meals like macaroni and cheese? With a wide variety of meals, from Western to Chinese to even Italian delights, and recipes categorized into appetizers, main dishes, salads, snacks, and desserts, you'll whip dish after dish like a professional chef in no time. Best of all, the ingredients used are fresh, alkalizing, and natural, and contain none of the toxic foods found in store-bought or ready-made foods, so you can stay healthy and be around the ones you love. Just to add it all up, as part of this special promotion, you'll get 7 cookbooks with over 350 easy and healthy recipes, easily over 10 food categories. Smoothies, appetizers, entrees, snacks, salads, soups, breakfast, desserts, juices, and many more. Learn how to make healthy vegan sauces like Dijon mustard, vegan mayonnaise, tofu sour cream, and even vegan cheese. Simple, step-by-step instructions that will guide you on how to create that perfect alkaline meal from start to finish. Now, if you are wondering what's the price of the Alkaline Gourmet package, the entire Alkaline Gourmet package with the 3 add-on cookbooks costs a total of $159.79 when you buy them individually. And it's definitely worth the price. I mean, think about it. What's the price of being able to cook a healthy storm so that you and your family will not crave for all the unhealthy junk and comfort foods? What's the price of being able to lose that stubborn fat on your body and knowing you will look fantastic when you look in the mirror? What's the price of being able to indulge in healthy yet delicious cuisines that life has to offer and yet keep your health and body in great shape? You just can't put a price on that. So, because you are watching this video, you won't have to pay $159.79. You won't even have to pay $97 because I've convinced my publisher to offer the digital version of the cookbooks so that you can save on the printing, shipping, and handling costs. But only if you promise to do me this one favor. After you're done with the program, Simply tell me how you've improved things and share your success story with others to help inspire them. If you promise to do that for me, then my publisher has agreed to offer the program to you today for the special price that you see below. So when you hit the button below this video ends, you get the complete Alkaline Diet Gourmet Package, the Gourmet Italian Delights Cookbook, Gourmet Fruit Ice Cream Recipes, and Natural Juicing Cookbook for the special price you see below this video. But here's the best part. You don't even have to decide right now. You've got 60 days to try the Alkaline Gourmet Package, and if you're not entirely satisfied by the Gourmet Package, you can simply contact the support team at support@alkalinecook.com, and we will completely refund you. No questions asked. So go ahead and get cooking right now by clicking on the big yellow button at the bottom of this page to make your simple and secure purchase. These cookbooks are downloadable PDFs that you will be able to use freely on your PC, Mac, or even iPad or iPhone. You will gain immediate access to the members area where you can download all the cookbooks and the bonuses immediately. The recipes are easily searchable, and you can browse and print out the PDFs for easy reference. All you need to do is click on the Add to Cart button to get the entire Alkaline Gourmet package for the special price you are getting today. Let's start cooking now, and I'll see you on the other side.